In this video, I will give you an insight on how authentic Jamaican Sunday dinner should look like. Sunday dinner is important to every Jamaican. Rice and peas is a part of the Jamaican culture. Every Jamaican look towards to cook and eat rice and peas on a Sunday dinner. For step-by-step instruction how to cook and create a dish like this, please click the link in this video or below. Alright, this is a plate ready to eat. So this is curry goat, rice and peas, steamed vegetable. Yeah, so this is Sunday dinner. So I'm enjoying my plate. So right here I'm having curry goat and rice and peas, the authentic Jamaican way. Yes, I get that. So this is Sunday dinner. Yeah, so this is my steamed cabbage. They say it's good to cook what you eat. Don't forget me for this one.
If you think this video was educational or interesting, leave a like, subscribe, or leave a comment. Press the notification bell to see more videos like this. If you want to see step-by-step information how to make curry goat, press the link in this video or the link below. If you want to make rice and peas just like the one in this video, press the link in this video or the link below. If you want to do steamed vegetable just like the one in this video, press the link in this video or the link below. Thank you for watching. I highly appreciate your view. I'm out.